Easy and fast. The best banana prata. So yummy.
Listen to that. A crispy sound that guarantees a crunchy sandwich for breakfast.
Banana.
Yes, only the ripest banana will do. Peel off the skin gently or it might break off like this. Ripe bananas tend to be more fragile. I'm cutting a banana into slices, including the tiny broken bit. You can cut it in any shape you like.
Frozen prata.
I can make a prata from scratch, but we have no time for that. This is a fast and easy breakfast, so frozen prata it is. Take one piece of prata and cut it into quarters. Each quarter will look like a triangle. Use a pair of scissors to cut the frozen prata along the plastic wrapper so it can be removed easily. Now we can start to assemble our easy breakfast prata banana sandwich.
Cheese.
It starts with a little cheese, preferably cheddar for a cheesy taste. Use a knife and lightly cut a piece in half. Place half of the cheese on top of a frozen prata right in the middle. Next, place a slice of banana on top.
Chocolate chips.
Sprinkle a generous amount of chocolate chips on top. If any chips roll out from the middle, just use your fingers to push it back into the center. Now I am going to cover the top with the triangular piece of frozen prata that I cut earlier. Pull the first corner of the prata and fold it over the triangular piece. Then repeat the same step for the other 3 corners. Let's try not to tear the prata dough while I'm doing this. 1 packet of frozen prata usually has 5 pieces, so I can make 4 sandwiches at a time. When the folding and wrapping is finished, what I get is a nice square parcel of sandwich with the banana and chocolate chips stuck right inside. Now I pan fry the sandwich with a little oil. Frying helps to give it a crispier exterior and a golden brown color, just like browning a roast beef. Fry the bottom until it is brown for about 2 minutes and flip it over. Lift up the sandwich when both sides are brown and place it on a baking tray lined with baking paper. Bake it for 12 minutes at 170 Celsius. Halfway through the baking, I put a baking paper on top because I was afraid that the sandwich would burn before it was fully cooked. However, I did not have to worry, they turned out perfectly fine. Now look at how puff up it is. We love it, guaranteed to be crunchy and crispy. Check out our breakfast playlist next for more inspiration. Subscribe,
Share and comment. Thanks for watching.